Okay, good afternoon for everyone. My name is Haider Gomez, and today I want to show you how to encourage a person or someone who want to learn a new language. It doesn't matter what kind of language they want to learn. The most important is to encourage or motivate them to learn this language. And this tax is the first one according to the recognition in English Advanced. The first thing is for benefits in our career or for business. English is the most used language in the professional and business world, right? Likewise in Spanish or Mandarin, right? But it is more important. The second one is for international business. Trips are very common, and mastering a language can be the true ticket to take advantage of them, network and development professionally. Another thing is the personal benefits, right? If you are traveling abroad and you know the native language, you will be able to learn more about the culture, custom and tradition. Yes, this is one of the most important things. And it will allow you closer relationship with those who live outside your country or visit it. Benefit in the trip and hobbies. If you go on a trip to a country where they speak a language other than yours, with which you know your experience will be enriched, and if you speak on your trip in the native language of the country you were visiting, you can be more friendly and receptive, right? For example, this is for business. Yes, it's very important. It doesn't matter the language. Yes, we can be Mandarin, Spanish, Portuguese. So this is for traveling, for to meet new friends, and to know and meet new cultures. I consider that this is one of the benefits if you learn to speak a new language. Thank you so much.